Hello everyone, good day to you all. In the lesson number 15, we learn about how to calculate the age in years, months and days in different cells. So in this lesson number 16, I'm going to teach you how to get those three things into one cell. So in order to do that, still we have to use our formulas that we learned to calculate to years, months and days. So let me show you how you can do that. Right, I'll go to this formula bar because I'm now in the cell D12 where we want to get the age in one cell. Equal data diff, open brackets, birthday, comma, and today's date, comma, y, that is to specify the years, right, and close brackets. In this way we get the number of years, and now we want to combine this with the month of number of months, right? So before that we use this function, AND function, because we are going to combine years and months in a one cell, right? And then open quotation marks, put a space, because we need to put a space between the number of years and the word years, right? So we type years, and also after typing years put a space, because we need to put a space between years and months, right? And then you can even put a comma before you put the space like this, and then put the space, close quotations, right? And again use the AND. So like that way you can go on, right? Alright, so you can see 32 years, 11 months and 5 days. So all in one cell like this. So this is how we calculate the age in a one cell with years, months and days. Okay friends, thank you very much for watching this lesson number 16. Please do a like and follow it, and also kindly share the video as much as possible. I wish you a good day to you all. God bless you. We'll meet soon in the lesson number 17. Bye bye.